Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view the videos you have liked on Pinterest. So here I've already on my Pinterest apps on my phone, and to easily find the like videos on your Pinterest, you can go to your profile first, tap on your photo at the bottom, and in here you can click on your photo at the top left corner and then tap on this home feed tuner. So in here you'll see pins. So pins are the Pinterest pins that you recently save or tap to view, including the one you are like. So you can see the like videos also here. You can just scroll down to see the whole history. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.